In education sector, we hired 500 teachers to ease classroom pressure and help students learn better. We are also reviewing over 3,000 Edo State workers to incorporate them into civil service. Possible full employment this time. No more casual workers. Because every effort to shaping our children's future, it matters. We approve recruitment of 450 clinical and non-clinical staffs for our state hospitals and regularize 126 contract staff at Edo Specialist Hospital. Furthermore, we clear all outstanding salaries area owed to our polytechnic staffs. And in the judiciary, we make sure that judges who had been delayed in their appointment were properly sworn in and are now fully carrying out their duties. To show our commitment does not end at that, we have also approved health insurance coverage for our retirees. Today, I am proud to announce our administration has approved a new minimum wages of 75,000 naira monthly. It is our way of saying thank you. We believe this will make a real difference, and in return, we can count on your renewed dedication as we build a better Edo together.